All right, somebody asked for an update on the Tahoe, where I'm at with that. Tahoe is great. It was fantastic. It started to have some runnability issues, and then I started to notice that my coolant was slowly, really slowly draining, but it was draining down. It wasn't dripping anywhere. It was obviously clearly burning off somewhere, whether it be in the cylinders or probably mainly leaking, which is obviously notorious for these, leaking through the intake gasket. And so I'm pulling this whole thing apart. It had a couple of oil leaks. It had one in the timing cover leaking out. So I'm just tearing this whole thing down right now just to see if we can fix the leaks. Put it back together. Obviously, it's probably going to run a lot better fixing a lot of this stuff. I may pull the heads off too. I have head gaskets as well, so we may just, I mean, I'm in here this far, why not? It's not going to take that much extra to do that. And then we'll measure them, see if the heads are warped at all. I doubt they are, but we'll find out. So yeah, right now the engine's pretty torn down. Looking at it like this, it's pretty like, oh my gosh, this is going to be some work getting this back together. But it wasn't too bad, and there's some great videos online of people tearing into these, very detailed, to get to these gaskets. And I can link those below as well. But that's where the Tahoe is right now, just trying to track down. Obviously, this engine has 230,000 miles anyway. Is it worth the effort? I mean, I'm only into it a couple $100s for the gaskets and various other things that I'm going to be paying for to do this. So it's not that big of an expense to see if I can stop the coolant loss and probably get this thing to run better and get a longer life out of it. We'll see. If not, you know what we're going to be doing? We're going to be tearing this damn engine out. Same with the tranny. We'll replace both. Hopefully we don't need to do that right now, but that's where we're at. So that's my Tahoe update as we speak. I'll shoot another video on the next one. All right, take care.